this is Nisma Amir with another episode of our amazing program Meet the CEO, जिसका मकसद है पाकिस्तान के कामयाब तरीन CEOs को डिस्कवर करना और आपसे मिलवाना, so that you can learn from their success and the struggles behind their journey. Today we're going to meet Miss Neena Akbar, the CEO of Sukh Chain Wellness Club. Her passion of fulfilling her dreams brought Sukh Chain into existence. Let's hear her journey as a successful female entrepreneur. Hello ma'am, welcome to our show. It's a great pleasure that you're here and we can't wait to have a conversation with you.
My pleasure. I'm most humbled.
That's great. Acha, sabse pehle, we definitely want to know about how it all started, maybe from your younger life, education, फिर कैसे professional life का कहाँ से शुरुआत हुई. We want you to give us an overview.
Well, let me start with K. As a child, I was always an extrovert and I was a very optimistic, happy child.
Acha.
And for me, as I was growing up, I thought I wanted to do a lot of things. I had very big dreams.
Okay.
But finally, slowly and gradually, I thought I will not sit at home and waste my intelligence over nothing.
Yeah.
And I have to do something and become useful in life. So it all began as I was growing up and as quite a young girl while I was in Canada.
Okay.
So I opted for a job in a departmental store.
Acha.
So there I was about 3-4 months as a sales girl.
Okay.
And they put me in the fashion department.
Acha.
So they thought कि ये कुछ fashionable लगती है तो इसको ज़रा उधर फेंक दें. हाँ. So I was supposed to sell fashion and fashionable clothes to the Canadians there.
That's great.
But it was fun and I thought that was a great job and I did it very nicely. And then slowly, gradually and with destiny brought me here to Pakistan. I got married and then since then I've been living in Lahore. ये था कि after I got married, like I was very spritey and very highly motivated.
High-spirited.
High-spirited and very motivated that I wanted to do something. And I told my husband, he was at that time working in Hilton Hotel.
Okay.
उन दिनों में ये अवारी वारानी Hilton Hotel था. Now I'm talking way back 38-40 years ago.
Okay.
तो जब मैं लाहौर आई, I used to live in Karachi. तो जब मैं लाहौर आई तो लाहौर was a very with beautiful trees. It's a beautiful city, but extremely boring. There was nothing here, especially for young people. It was so boring.
Yeah.
So, since he was working at the Hilton, so he had very long hours.
Okay.
So मैंने अपने मियाँ को बोला, मैंने कहा let's do something where you can put your also skill together, put my brains together, and let's do something in the restaurant business. And coming from Karachi, I remember कराची में उन दिनों में स्पिंजर खुला था और कोई जॉइंट्स खुले थे फूड के. तो I said कि वो इतने अच्छे चल रहे हैं, they are such such fun places. So let's open something here.
Acha.
So that is when we first got our brains together, selected a name. बहुत hard work था. And we did not have any inheritance.
Okay.
कोई जागीर या जायदाद तो था ही नहीं. So it was between him and me together.
Okay.
We both opened up Salt and Pepper on the Mall.
And we're glad that you came to Pakistan and you thought of that to make Lahore less boring and open up a food joint, which is great. Or moving on, then.
उसके बाद then. Well, the trajectory of my life did not end there. I would say around again 20-25 years ago. how I came about Sukhchैन.
I wanted to know that कि सुखचैन की जो आइडिया था वो कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट हुआ, क्या वो एज अ बिजनेस मॉडल था या आपकी कोई पैशन फॉर फिटनेस था जिसको आपने सोचा कि आई वांट टू टर्न इट इनटू अ बिजनेस. ये आई रियली वांटेड टू नो कि विजन क्या थी जब सुखचैन शुरू किया.
पैशन तो था मुझे फिटनेस का,
हाँ.
मगर वो पैशन नहीं था कि जैसे वो क्रेजी पैशन.
Okay.
पैशन ये था कि यस आई हैव दिस inbuilt wisdom in me for health and wellness.
Okay.
It's not only health and physical, it's wellness.
Definitely.
You know, so मैंने ये कहा कि if I have that wisdom in me, I want to share it. And how do I share it with my friends, my family, my people here, the community? Why not open up a wellness center?
लेकिन जैसे आप सॉल्ट एंड पेपर में इतना इन्वॉल्व थे, हाउ वर यू एबल टू टेक दैट प्लंज कि नहीं अब मैंने एक और चीज करनी है और मैंने सुखचैन की तरफ आना है?
Well, in fact, we kind of bifurcated here.
Okay.
It is not that they were out of this place.
Okay.
They were very much here also.
Okay.
My salt and pepper team and
Okay.
my partnership with my husband.
Yeah.
But the salt and pepper was a partnership between him and me.
Okay.
So this was part of it.
Yeah.
Sukhchैन was part of it.
Yeah.
And then it was, yes, we had this restaurant. Well, in fact, I used to call my restaurant Salt and Pepper.
अच्छा.
It was a salt and
Yeah,
pepper
yeah.
cafe
Yeah.
on health food.
Yeah.
You know, we're not going to sell
Yeah.
this, you know,
The
stuffed chicken.
Stuffed chicken.
So we had a healthy menu as well.
बट यूजुअली होता है ना कि जब एक चीज़ आप कर रहे हैं और उसमें एनर्जी लग रही है तो अपने आप को मोटिवेट करना कि अब मुझे एक और वेंचर भी शुरू करना है, वो मोटिवेशन जो है वो कहाँ से आई?
When you are on a flight, ठीक है, आपकी ड्रीम्स एक पे नहीं खत्म होती.
हाँ,
You know?
that's true.
आपकी ड्रीम्स चलती रहती
That
हैं.
is so true.
तो मेरी ये ड्रीम सुखचैन तक खत्म नहीं है.
नहीं है, हाँ हाँ.
You know,
Definitely.
so it is. I've mastered and conquered one or
Definitely.
another thing,
Definitely.
and my flight is much higher.
Still fleeting.
It's still. Yes,
Yeah.
It's still. I'm still on that flight.
अच्छा मुझे ये बताएं कि सुखचैन the name. What made you come up with that?
सुखचैन का नाम इस तरह आया कि एक तो दरख्त बहुत खूबसूरत है, ठीक है, और है भी वो सब कॉन्टिनेंट का. नाम भी सुखचैन है. फिर आपको हैप्पीनेस और वेलनेस में व्हाट यू फील, हाउ विल यू रेजोनेट with happiness, joy, inside peace.
हाँ,
सही है.
बिल्कुल.
So I didn't want to keep a very foreign name. I'm more into my own people, my own country, my own culture. You know. So मैंने सोचा, मैंने कहा सुख, आपको सुख ही दे. कहाँ ऐसी जगह हो जहाँ पे सुख मिले आप.
सही.
ऐसी जगह मिले जहाँ पे आप चैन से बैठे.
हाँ.
So that is how the name came about.
And it's been a very catchy name.
It's a beautiful name.
Yeah.
And I must say people have appreciated the name a lot.
Sukhchैन has always been class apart, in my opinion, and in a lot of people's opinion, being a regular here as well. तो जैसे आप, you were the one who brought the concept of international trainers over here. कहीं भी नहीं था. I've never heard of it before. तो ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया कि I should bring in foreigner trainers, और फिर they were such a hype and they were doing so well for their client.
It wasn't only international trainers. I brought in Thai staff. I had an English a woman who did aerobics and
Okay.
trained women as
Okay.
trainers in the ladies gym.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Then I had a French trainer, and then I had Kenyan trainers, which I still have. सुखचैन जब मैंने बनाया ना, it wasn't only a platform for training and exercising. It was a platform for even wellness programs and educational programs.
Okay.
Where I basically, मेरा जो idea था, to bring in people, inspirational speakers,
Okay.
motivational speakers internationally.
Okay.
And I thought of calling them, making them, since I have this beautiful hall upstairs, you've seen that.
yeah.
तो वहाँ पे I would accommodate my members, people from all walks of life.
अच्छा, जब आपने प्लंज लिया कि सोचा कि अब मैंने सुखचैन वेलनेस क्लब खोलना है, शुरू करना है, जो इनिशियल कह लें फेज़ होगा, उसमें किस तरह के चैलेंजेस आपने फेस किए, उनको कैसे ओवरकम किया? How were you able to manage all of that initially?
अच्छा, I'll tell you initially, जो मेरे जो challenges थे या मेरे I would say obstacles थे, या मेरे को मैं आपको सच बताऊं, मैंने कभी इनको नेगेटिव वे पे नहीं देखा, ना मैंने सोचा ये मुसीबत है, ओहो ये तो अब ये आ गया है। मेरे लिए कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं था। मैंने एक मेरी बात है और एक आई वुड रियली से कि दैट्स अ वेरी कमेंडेबल पार्ट ऑन मी, मैं कोई नेगेटिविटी नहीं लाती अपने माइंड में। सीरियसली कोई भी कोई नेगेटिव, आई ऑलवेज थिंक मे बी दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ग्रोथ एंड दिस इज द बेटरमेंट ऑफ मी एंड माई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कि व्हाट डू वी लर्न फ्रॉम दैट।
You don't take it as a hindrance and you just
I
move
don't take
ahead.
it, एक तो I don't take it personally and I don't take it as a way कि ये है, मैं कहूँ अच्छा ये हुआ, ये गया, ये हुआ, बेहतरी हुई, इसमें भी कुछ बेहतर है, इसमें ही कुछ है, and what is the seed of growth in that?
I think this is a constant trait of successful people that they don't let a failure or hindrance stop.
Anything. मुझे अगर कोई तंग भी कर रहा है ना, तो इसमें भी मेरी कोई हैप्पीनेस है कि भाई इसकी वजह से मे बी मेरे साथ वो हुआ तो वो कितना बेहतर हुआ।
This is a point that all the youngsters should take note of. अच्छा जैसे we have this सुखचैन है, wellness club है, obviously it's all client driven और इतने hundreds of clients हैं, हर एक की अपनी requirement है, अपनी demand है, तो how do you manage to keep them all satisfied and you know you retain them? How do you do that?
एक तो हमारी customer service is quite tight, ठीक बात है। I am here and I am in touch with the club all the time, 24/7. ठीक है, कोई भी member हो, कुछ भी हो, disgruntled हो, ज़्यादातर इतनी हमारी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, ठीक है। मगर कस्टमर सर्विस और कस्टमर को केयर भी हमारा जो मैनेजमेंट है ना वो बहुत हेल्प करता है इसमें, एंड दे एड्रेस द क्वेश्चंस और द प्रॉब्लम राइट अवे। कोई ज़रूर कोई ना कोई डिस्ग्रंटेड होंगे, मगर वी गो अराउंड, फोन देम, कॉल देम and then deal with them in that way.
And being women, we have multiple roles, we can't deny that. तो कभी इंसान पे ऐसा फेस भी आता है जहाँ पे आप फील करते हैं कि बस हो गई है, या आप डीमोटिवेटेड फील करें, if ever you face a situation like that या phase like that, तो उसमें अपने आप को दोबारा कैसे पिकअप करती थी, अपने आप को मोटिवेटेड कैसे रखती थी?
वेरी नाइस सवाल। मैं फटाफट अपने सामान बांधती हूँ और मैं माउंटेन्स में चली जाती हूँ।
अच्छा,
बिल्कुल, I go into nature.
Okay.
And I love hiking. I love the mountains. I'm just passionately crazy about the mountains. वहाँ फिर फुर के fresh होके then you come recharge, energized.
That's a good way to.
That's a beautiful way to get over all your stress, which you don't realize कि आपके आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कितना layers भर जाते हैं। और how do you do to kind of.
And sometimes you need time to reflect upon things and to prioritize and stuff like that.
Yes.
Welcome back to our show. Okay, so this is like the current topic that we've all been involved in is COVID. अब COVID में जो है gyms और wellness clubs have suffered a lot. तो how were you able to handle the situation जब बिल्कुल लॉकडाउन्स थे और अब जैसे जैसे चीज़ें थोड़ी थोड़ी नॉर्मलाइज हो रही हैं, तो SOPs को लेके how are you just dealing with the whole situation of COVID?
COVID की वजह से तो yes, I think every business suffered और we were also closed.
Yeah.
And then they said कि okay, you can open the gym from this time to this time. So there were people, lot of people, कब खोल रहे हैं? मुझे तो घर में फ़ोन आते थे, कब खोल रहे हैं आप लोग जिम, कब खोलेंगे? फिर फाइनली आहिस्ता आहिस्ता थोड़े थोड़े टाइमिंग्स के लिए खुलता रहा, एंड देन हमारे अब तो शायद अल्लाह का शुक्र है, अब कोविड थोड़ा बहुत, एंड नाउ वी हैव vaccinated our staff, obviously, and our customers. Then there is this SOP that you have to have all of them vaccinated. Then we put up a camp also for COVID. तो जो भी हमारे staff थे, people थे, we were helping the neighborhoods also. जिन्होंने आके अपना वो करना है vaccination, तो वो भी हो गया था।
जो अरसा था जिसमें lockdown properly चल रहा था, उसमें how were you able to sustain the whole business?
Sustain, yes, ये था. It was a little difficult, very difficult for us. You know, my big weakness is कि I don't want to lay off anyone. So थोड़ा दे दो और sustain कर लो, बनिस्बत कुछ ही ना दो, तो थोड़ा थोड़ा करके we sustain, manage to sustain everyone.
अच्छा, so tell us about how a normal working day is for you. आपका leadership style कैसा है? How do you manage with all the work? कैसे करती हैं?
I start my day quite early,
Okay.
magar that is at home.
Okay.
ठीक है, I come here around say between 10:30.
Okay.
To tell you the truth, I go right into the gym.
Okay. Great.
No, I do my gym,
Uh-huh.
and that is for about 40-45 minutes.
सही.
उसके बाद यकीन करें कि ऊपर आती हूँ तो सांस लेने का टाइम नहीं मिलता.
अच्छा.
कभी कोई आ रहा है, कभी कुछ कह रहे हैं, कभी ये कह रहे हैं, कौन है. देन वी हैव रेगुलर मीटिंग्स अपनी, जैसे मैनेजमेंट की मीटिंग है, सेल्स की मीटिंग है. आई वुड से दैट माय मैनेजर्स, माय टीम इज़ अ वेरी नाइस टीम.
Okay.
And they really, not only they are just working, they are really dedicated to their
Maybe
work.
also because you are a nice leader then. It's I think
नहीं,
mutual.
they are my asset. मतलब ये asset है सबसे बड़ी.
बिल्कुल.
आपकी टीम जो होती है ना, वो आपकी asset होती है.
Definitely.
तो and they work so well, honestly, with dedication and loyalty. And we have very strong values in our club.
Given that I'm sitting with a successful woman entrepreneur CEO, तो ये सवाल ज़रूरी बन जाता है कि जो हमारी जनरेशन की या ख़वातीन हैं, उनको क्या ऐसी एडवाइस आप देंगी जो सोच रही हैं कि दे वुड वांट टू डू समथिंग, कोई स्टार्टअप लगाना चाहती हैं, कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना चाहता है?
मैं उनको बोलूँगी कि अपने कंफर्ट जोन से निकलें, फेस योर फियर्स, और जो आप करना चाहती हैं जिंदगी में उनकी आप नो हाउ ढूंढें कि हाउ टू गो अबाउट योर एंड चेस योर ड्रीम्स, मेक देम कम ट्रू, मेक देम अ रियलिटी, बिकॉज टाइम गोज बाय वेरी फास्ट. यू सी, एंड इफ यू वेटिंग कि मैं ये कब करूँगी, ये करूँगी, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट एवरीथिंग, आई फील कि आप कब तक करते रहेंगे. टाइम गोज बाय सो फास्ट कि आप एक दिन बैठे होंगे और करेंगे, ओहो मैंने तो ये करना था ज़िंदगी में, मैंने ये करना था. डोंट डाई विथ रिग्रेट्स.
Also, what do you think, just to take on financial independence for women? I think that is also something that they need to be taught on.
Utmost. That is the utmost. I feel कि financially if you're independent, ठीक है, you can gain respect not only from your family, but from society, from people around you, and wherever you get married, and your husband and your in-laws.
Yeah.
You know, they also, in a way, you're busy, you're using your good time doing something, earning also, learning something, going into the world, contributing.
Yeah.
So that is a very big plus point.
And also I think when you're too idle, you start cooking up negative thoughts more.
बिल्कुल. It's a
Rather than
devil's workshop.
बिल्कुल.
आप घर में बैठे बैठे तो ये इसने ये क्यों मुझे बोला, उसने ये किया, उसने वो क्यों यू नो, आप 24 घंटे नेगेटिव चीज़ें सोचते रहते हैं. एंड बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट हम लोग, दिमाग हमारा ऐसा है कि आप नेगेटिविटी की तरफ आपका दिमाग ज़्यादा जाता है. सो आपने अपने माइंड को हमेशा साफ करना है. यू नो, यू हैव टू हैव अ सेपरेट टाइम फॉर योरसेल्फ टू क्लीन आउट योर ब्रेन. ठीक बात है ना, जिसको कहते हैं मेंटल हाइजीन. तो निकालें उनको थॉट्स को, अच्छी चीज़ें इनकलकेट करें अपने माइंड में, और बुरा लोगों का बिल्कुल ना सोचें, बिकॉज जितना आप बुरा लोगों का सोचेंगे इतना बुरा आपके साथ होगा. तो वो तो होना ही है. That is
a very good
exactly. And also जब आप ये करेंगे, God आपको टॉक्सिक लोगों से दूर कर देगा. आपकी जिंदगी ज़्यादा आसान हो जाएगी.
That I truly believe in that, by the way. It's a great advice. अच्छा, over the time the awareness for fitness has increased amongst people, लेकिन मुझे लगता है अभी भी कहीं ना कहीं लोग फिटनेस को सिर्फ फिजिकल वेलनेस के साथ एसोसिएट करते हैं. आई वॉन्ट यू टू गिव योर टेक अबाउट व्हाट वेलनेस इज, और लोगों के अंदर ये अवेयरनेस अभी कम है, मुझे ऐसे लगता है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दैट?
लोगों के अंदर बहुत कम है. थोड़ा ज़रा इंक्रीज हो रहा है, मगर नॉट टू दैट एक्सटेंट जो विच इज़ मोर डिज़ायरेबल. Again, I would feel that they should take care of themselves again. Who is more important in life? How can you be looking after children and giving them good advice if you are not well? And how can you take care of your children? How can you take care of your family or even your mother and your parents or anyone? जब elderly होंगे, आप fit होंगे तो look after करेंगे. Then you can, like my father was with me, and I used to make sure he did a little bit of yoga every day. I made sure he walked in the garden, and I made sure that he was thinking beautiful thoughts. He was happy, And because why? Because I am also into wellness and
Wellness.
it's not only building muscles,
Yeah.
but it is when you're
Yeah.
doing something for yourself.
Definitely.
And you're looking after your health. Mentally, you're happy.
You're mentally happy.
Mentally, because you've released so many endorphins. There's
That
many
is so true.
beautiful hormones which should run into your system.
Yeah.
And then you feel happy and then you feel motivated and you want to make others happy.
Even if like you're having a tough week, उसमें से अगर आप 3 दिन भी अपने लिए निकाल लें ना, तो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ओके फाइन, इवन इफ आई एम गोइंग थ्रू दीज टफ वीक्स और आवर्स, ये मेरा टाइम था जो मैंने अपने लिए किया है, देन यू फील गुड अबाउट एवरीथिंग.
बिल्कुल वो चलता रहता है ना, खुशी चलती रहती है.
है.
तो मैं तो बहुत, आई एम अ वेरी बिग proponent of good health, fitness, spreading wellness everywhere, and mentally also. It's very important to be happy and concentrate on good things in life.
You've achieved so much, you've done so many things, and all of them have been successful and are still running. और तो उसमें sometimes a person would think I have done so much, and it might get to your head. तो कैसे अपने आप को फिर भी determined रखती हैं, फिर भी motivated रखती हैं कि नहीं अभी तो मैंने ये भी करना है. जैसे you were saying my flight is still going. How do you manage that thought process?
सबसे पहले तो ना I go into a lot of gratitude. I feel there's definitely a hand of God's hand on me. And whatever decision I take, and I know that there is a greater power, a greater source which I touch, and I get my guidance. So whatever God has given me, mashallah, jaisa bhi hai, jo bhi hai, He has been very, very good to me. And I cannot ever repay Him in any way. And I always think, my thoughts are now, how do I repay Him? These are the thoughts which are lingering now in my mind, that He has given me so much, what do I give back?
That keeps you humble.
Yeah, and then what do I give back? I have to give back. So that is what is in my mind now.
Okay, so who has been your role model? Like your inspiration? वो आपके कोई personal family member भी हो सकते हैं, कोई professionally भी हो सकती है.
My parents would be very much, especially my father. And he was the person who taught me really kindness. He taught me kindness, he taught me forgiveness. And even on big things, he would always tell me, just forgive, And because he told me, if you forgive, it releases everything from your heart. And he has been really a pillar, and my mother also. They have both been inspirational in developing my all sorts of skills and talents and all. And that's where I really derive my motivations from.
So when it comes to Sukhchैन, future में क्या vision है अभी? How far do you want to take it? या क्या future visions and future plans with Sukhchैn क्या हैं?
Sukhchैन के लिए तो मेरे तो every day my mind is open, and I do feel there's much more to life besides this trajectory. I think there's much more, and I'm open. I am asking God. I'm asking Him for all more purposeful actions where I can do, and dekhe, inshallah, I will get my what should I say, that my thought, my next plan at least.
I think a lot more is gonna come out of you with the energy and passion that you have,
Inshallah,
which is so inspiring as well.
Inshallah.
अच्छा, मुझे बताएं कि professionally, is there any decision that you have taken या जो repeatedly भी लेना पड़े जो आपको बहुत difficult और मुश्किल लगता हो?
To fire someone बहुत मुश्किल है ना? खुद भी नहीं कुछ करते ना, उनको फायर करते वक्त भी बुरा लगता है. या तो वो खुद कुछ करें तो फायर ना करूं, तो उनको फायर करते वक्त मैं कहती हूँ प्लीज कोई और करे, मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मैं ये आई कांट टेक दिस डैम बर्डन.
Okay.
ये है, this is
becoming like a constant answer from different CEOs.
Really?
Yeah,
really? They also say,
yeah.
Allah, वाकई अच्छा. It is difficult.
Definitely.
Let someone else do it. I can't do it. Someone is not working.
You have
out.
a big team. You can make
Yes,
anyone do it.
मैं कहा खुद करो dirty work, मैं नहीं कर सकती. मैडम छोड़ दें, हम कर लेंगे. मैंने कहा आप लोग करें, मैं नहीं कर सकती.
guys, right now we're at the poolside of Sukhchen, which is an amazing site to be at. और यहाँ पे हमने सोचा कि हम आपसे कुछ lighter note, one-liner questions करें so that we get to know more about you. तो मुझे बताएं कि when you're feeling very stressed out, तो कोई एक ऐसी tip या एक ऐसी चीज़ जो आप करें to bust off some stress.
Tip ये है कि I just pack my bags and I take a journey where I go and relax myself and or sit in nature, and I think that I manage to de-stress myself quite a bit.
Sahi. Given that we're at the topic of packing bags, so how about you tell us a little more about your favorite destination within the country?
Within the country, definitely it's Gilgit-Baltistan.
Okay.
I have discovered Gilgit-Baltistan just quite recently, I would say last year.
Acha.
And last year se ab tak I have almost gone 4 times.
Really?
It is, yes. It is so beautiful and the roads are so nice to go, and the traveling is easy.
Acha.
And the best thing is the people are so nice.
Acha.
People are nice. So there are huge mountains, and as you know, my passion for mountains is there. And it is a very magnificent place. और वहाँ पे खाना भी इतना अच्छा मिलता है. And their own cuisine is the dodo soup is very nice.
Dodo soup.
And then the desi makhan
Acha.
and the desi ghee. And then
Acha.
shabro, and they have beautiful cuisines.
सब चीजें सुन के दिल करे अभी हम
अभी
bags pack
जाएं।
करें और पहुंच जाएं।
और रास्ता बहुत अच्छा है।
अच्छा।
हाँ,
It's
बहुत-
comfortable now.
It's very comfortable.
So given that I think you have traveled the entire world, so अगर आप गिलगित बाल्टिस्तान को preference दे रही हैं, that is a big statement in itself.
It is a very big statement, and I feel that I discovered this whole province so late in life. I should have discovered it much earlier, because there are so many small places there to visit and hike there, even camp there, and the hotels and the guest houses are so nice.
Okay, so tell us, what is your idea of happiness? खुशी, happiness अगर sum up करनी हो, what is it for you?
My idea of happiness is what will make me happy is to make others happy.
Sweet.
When I make others happy, I'm very happy.
That's nice. That's nice. अच्छा, given that you are so closely associated to fitness and wellness, तो I think लोग भी जानना चाहेंगे कि आपकी fitness का जो secret है वो क्या है, या आपका favorite form of exercise क्या है?
मैं ये कहती हूँ कि I like walking.
Okay.
Walking is very good, but strength training is also good.
Yeah.
Maybe I do it 3 times a week.
Okay.
Sometimes 4 times a week.
अच्छा.
मगर yoga भी मुझे relax बहुत करता है, and I like yoga. I've been doing yoga for a long time.
Okay.
So now I don't get so much time as before कि मैं 1.5 घंटा करती रहूँ. तो मेरे लिए आधा घंटा is more than enough.
अच्छा, you seem like a very chilled out, calm personality. तो गुस्सा जो है वो आता है, as in frequently or rarely, and then how do you deal with it?
पहले तो आता था,
अच्छा.
मगर विद टाइम मैंने देखा है कि अब इतना नहीं आता, और
अच्छा.
आता भी है तो थोड़ा सा ना, इट इज़ लाइक दूसरों की पहले सुनो, समझो,
हाँ.
और फिर बोलो.
सही.
You know, तो काफ़ी कुछ कंट्रोल कर लिया है मैंने, मगर मेरा कभी इतना गुस्सा भी नहीं था.
अच्छा.
Sometimes yes था, it's only human, मगर
I think this composure comes with time and experiences.
It does come with
It
time.
does.
Yes.
Okay, so given that you have a busy schedule, you have your work, this entire club is on your shoulders. So how are you able to manage your work life and then your personal life? कैसे balance out करती हैं?
Because like I prioritize my own favorite things जो
Okay.
मैंने करने, और पहले तो मैं ना I used to just keep on working.
Okay.
I used to not think कि भाई मेरे लिए अपना भी टाइम निकालना चाहिए, मगर अब ये है कि now the thing is to slow down.
Yeah.
Everything will take its own course, मगर you need your own time.
सही. Are you like fond of reading? किताबों का शौक है?
Yes, I'm very crazy about
I would
reading.
want you to suggest a good book to our audiences as well.
Just recently, I'm reading a very nice book of, you'll know Harari's.
Okay.
It's called 21 Lessons for the 21st Century.
Okay.
That is a very good book.
अच्छा.
Yes, I'm reading that. Then I've read Nelson Mandela's Long Walk to Freedom.
Mm-hmm.
I think you get a lot of essence, and you get a lot of what people have gone through.
Yeah.
It gives you a lot of, what should I say, fortitude to understand what
Wisdom.
really,
Yeah.
what life is really about.
True.
What people have suffered, what people have gone through. And when you compare yourself, you are nowhere.
Yeah. Yeah.
What hardships they suffered
True.
and went through.
Nina, we have to sum it all up. तो आपकी जो अभी तक ये journey रही है, which has been very wholesome, what has that journey taught you?
Journey has taught me that life is a gift and we must celebrate every day because you really don't know what life has in store for you. So you should try to celebrate every day and every moment of your life.
Well, I think that's a great tip to live by.
Love.
Definitely. So on an ending note, we would want you to give us some advice or let's say, meaningful wisdom words जो हमारे young professionals के लिए हों, जो अपना career start out कर रहे हैं या अपने startups लगाना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए आप ऐसी कोई advice देना चाहें जो हमारी younger generation है.
वही मैंने जो पहले बोला कि yes, follow your dreams, chase them and make them happen, turn them into reality because एक मुझे एक quote याद आ रहा है जो था कि the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
Definitely.
This was said by Eleanor Roosevelt. And I feel that yes, follow your dream because that is the beauty of your life. Make it happen.
Thank you so much, Nina.
Most
it was a
welcome.
pleasure.
Most welcome.
It was a very, very wholesome conversation that we got to do with you.
It's my
And
pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much
I'm
for
most
being
humbled.
on the show.
Thank
so
you.
this was our conversation with Miss Nina Akbar. It was truly a very wholesome conversation where I got to learn so much about business, about fitness, and much, much more. So for more such conversations, keep on watching our show, Meet the CEO, only on Discover Pakistan.